Welcome back to my channel. My name is Basti. If you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. And welcome to Diwali 2020. For me, Diwali means a lot of colors, a lot of lights, some flowers, basically a lot of pretty things all packed together for one day. Actually, more like for 1 week. Like, I love Diwali decorations so much that I take them off after like 2 weeks, and even then, like, my parents have to tell me that ab hata do yaar, bahut din ho gaya वैसे. So what I thought was sharing a few DIY or like decoration hacks that you can use for Diwali. They are like super simple, very easy to do, and they look really pretty. It's literally like a minimum effort thing. Now, before I show, like, see, in general, I am not a very creative person. Like, I like doing like DIYs, crafts and everything, but I'm not very good at it. I'm like medium at it. So of course you can take up these ideas, and if you are much more creative, which I guess most people are, so you can just take these tricks and develop your own sort of DIY. For these jars we need some uncooked rice, some colors and some water, and a glass jar. To start off with, we are going to mix the color in water and add the rice to the water and let it be for a while, waiting for the color to get into the rice. I didn't really have paint, so I used haldi, ink and kumkum to get these colors. Separate the water from the rice and spread it out to dry. Let them dry for a few hours. Then you just gotta stack all the rice up together in a jar. It's totally up to you what kind of design you want. I have done sort of like a mixture thing, but you can go for a very clear layer by layer type of design depending on what you like. You can also add multicolor pulses if you want, and that's it. The jar is ready. You can do whatever design you want, and you can keep it just like that, or use it like a candle stand in whichever way that you like. For this one, we are going to need an old candle, some color or glitter, whatever you have. I'm using Rangoli color, and a shot glass. I didn't have a shot glass, so I'm using a chai ka glass. We're gonna cut down the old unused candle and take sort of pieces out of it. Basically, the point is we have to melt the wax to make the candle. Make sure to save the wick of the candle because we're going to need it later. Cut up the pieces and melt the wax. We're gonna pour the molten wax into the glass and sort of hold it on a tedha angle. Once it solidifies, we're gonna add some color to it, and you can also use glitter because I didn't have like glitter, so I'm using this Rangoli color that I had. I'm just gonna pour that in. Once that solidifies, we're going to pour some more wax into it and make it a layered sort of design in a candle. Let it cool and solidify. You can recycle your old candles like this and use them. It's going to look super pretty, and you can create whichever color, whatever design that you want. Here we are going to create tassels, and that can be used in many different ways. For the tassel, just take a sewing thread and wrap it around a piece of cardboard for 50 to 60 times. Tie a thread in the middle. Fold it down from where the thread was, and then just tie a small circle on the top. Trim down the ends to give an equal look, and then you can sew these on to any surface that you want, or in fact, if you don't want to make a permanent change, you can also pin them up. What I did was I sewed them on this piece of belt, and I'm using this to tie curtains. It gets a very nice festive look. You can also use some sort of fancy dupatta to tie your curtains. That will also give it a very nice look. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you like these ideas. And if you make any of these DIYs, then please do share it with me on Instagram and tag me because I would love to see it. And I would love it if you could share this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care, stay happy, stay healthy.